30 minutes lunchtime escape. Ham buddy. Good old spot that you've seen plenty of times. With the, I was gonna call it two trees, but then I just realised it's not just two trees that are there. Give in, lad, cause it's the future. Good job, got all this little cube in that, innit? Switching gears there, lad. If you look quick, lad, it says world famous Shirley Park, quick. Did you see it, lad? Nothing but seagulls. Brilliant! Brilliant, I tell thee! Yes. Oops. Very nice. Think we have a quick blast here, boy. It's very quiet. I don't know why it's so quiet. It seems almost too quiet. That warm up. Oh, choc nibbles there on that one there, pal. Choc nibbles. I'll be eating it. It'll be reet. I think he's had exhaustion on that, pal. Sounds sick, that lad. Sounds sick. It's alright, that pal. I've got this battery. It's alright.
10, 9, 8.
Alright. Yeah. I get a flight first person view. It's got like a camera on the front, and then that transmits it back to the goggles, like you know where you're flying around. Yeah. Shite
20
down.
seconds.
Battery on 14.6. Still got a bit in you. Still got a bit in you. Drink after you. Did you see that gap it, lad? Did a perch? Did a perch on that? Funny, all that white dust. You got white dust on you. You've been sniffing cocaine. Hey lad, or is it protein powder you've been sniffing? Seen that bird there, lad? Ah, seen him, mate. Oh, there's people coming. Oh, I did want to go and fly that bit over there with the little park bit and the trees, the little small ones over there. Looks really cool. But we're just gonna have a fly here on this bit. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a bottle and I'm going to fly and see if I can knock that bottle off. Got it, but now you got these props, ain't you, lad? Props have come loose. Knocked the bottle off, but we couldn't keep going, lad, could we? Because props came loose on you. Oh, they came loose on you, didn't they, boy? Let's go. We may have upset the dog.
10, 9, 8,
yes.
7.
The dog over there doesn't like us.
5, 4.
I feel like everybody's in the car wondering, like, why is he talking to his drone? It's like there's a little audience. But see what time we're on. ETA check. I think we've got to go back to work. Way home. The summer's coming. The warmer days. Bang this in here now. Back to work. Another 3.5 hours. Some time. Within the future, black. If it needs a color. Classic, and it actually says classic on the can, and it also says multi-pack can, not to be sold separately. Yeah. That's all you've been doing? People think he's joking. Tell me, lad. Want a quick selfie?